Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best yarn is probably one of the most versatile and comforting materials available, perfect for bringing your creative visions to life, especially as the leaves begin to turn and a cozy atmosphere settles in. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting your journey into knitting, crocheting, or weaving, the right yarn can transform a simple project into a cherished masterpiece, and with fall's rich color palette, the possibilities are truly endless. Imagine the satisfying feel of soft fibers, the vibrant hues of autumn leaves captured in your stitches, and the pride of creating something beautiful and unique with your own hands. This season, let's explore the wonderful world of yarn and discover the perfect threads to weave some autumnal magic into your life. Number 5. 20 Acrylic Yarn Skeins, Multicolored Yarn Kit. Unleash your creativity with this set of 20 acrylic yarn skeins. You'll have a total of 438 yards in a stunning array of multicolored options. This is a fantastic starter kit for anyone looking to get into crochet and knitting. The assorted colors are perfect for adding a vibrant touch to any craft. Each ball provides approximately 22 yards of yarn, ideal for accent works, amigurumi, and various craft projects. You'll have plenty to bring your ideas to life. Discover a beautiful spectrum of 20 different colors in this single yarn pack. It offers the perfect variety of rainbow shades for all your creative endeavors. This kit is designed with beginners in mind, providing everything you need to start immediately. It's simple and enjoyable for anyone to pick up and begin crafting. To further assist you, this kit includes 7 PDF ebooks filled with yarn patterns. They are perfect for learning the art of crocheting and knitting. What we like? If you're just starting out with crochet or knitting, this is a fantastic option. It comes with a generous amount of yarn in a wide array of colors, perfect for experimenting. Plus, the included patterns make it incredibly easy to jump right into your first project. What people say. The yarn has a beautiful blend of fall colors, perfect for seasonal projects. This yarn is incredibly soft and easy to work with, making knitting or crocheting a joy. The texture of the yarn is consistent throughout, ensuring a professional finish to any craft. Number 4. Bernat Blanket Fall Leaves Yarn, 3-pack. Discover the luxurious softness and cozy feel of Bernat blanket yarn. It's a chenille-style yarn perfect for all your home decor projects. Whether you're making blankets or crochet baskets, this yarn is ideal for a wide range of projects. Its super bulky weight stitches up quickly, making it a great choice for afghans and blankets. This particular collection features a beautiful fall leaves shade. It's available in a wide range of solid and variegated shades to complement your home decor. Each ball of this number 6 super bulky yarn is 150 g, 5.3 ounces, and 98 meters, 108 yards long. You get a 3-pack for even more crafting fun. Crafted from 100% polyester, it's easy to care for, simply machine wash and dry your finished items. Plus, all our blanket yarns are OEKOTX certified against harmful substances. This yarn is perfect for knitting, crocheting, amigurumi, and other craft projects. It's a go-to for fashion, home decor, and baby items, with a yarn for everyone. What we like? For those who love to create cozy home decor or blankets, this yarn is a dream. Its super bulky weight means your projects will work up in no time, and the luxurious softness is perfect for items you'll want to snuggle up with. If you're looking for a quick and comforting make, this is the one. What people say. The colors are beautiful and vibrant, perfect for autumn projects. The yarn is soft and easy to work with, it doesn't split or fray. It has a lovely sheen and a good weight for knitting sweaters and scarves. Number 3. JubileeYarn Cotton Select Sport Weight Yarn. Discover the soft touch of 100% cotton. This yarn offers a premium feel for all your crafting projects. Add a pop of warm color to your creations with these beautiful shades of orange. You'll receive 4 distinct skeins, each offering a unique hue. Designed for sport weight knitting and crochet, this yarn is ideal for garments and accessories. It's classified as a size 2 fine weight. Each skein provides 50 g of yarn, totaling 180 yards, or 165 meters. This generous amount ensures you have plenty to work with. Maintain its beauty with simple care. Machine wash gently and tumble dry on a delicate setting or dry flat. Avoid wringing, ironing, bleach, and softeners. For best results, use knitting needles size US 3, 3 mm, or a crochet hook size D3. Achieve perfect stitches every time. What we like. If you're a fan of natural fibers and enjoy working with lighter weight yarns for garments or delicate accessories, you should consider this. The beautiful shades of orange are perfect for autumn projects, and its cotton composition makes it breathable and comfortable for wear. What people say. The yarn has a beautiful color palette that perfectly captures the essence of fall. It's a soft and durable yarn, ideal for knitting sweaters and scarves. The texture is consistent throughout the skein, making it easy to work with. Number 2. Lion Brand Soft Jeans Yarn. Discover the vibrant world of soft jeans yarn, perfect for all your knitting and crocheting projects. This yarn brings a unique, colorful twist to your creations. Each skein offers 3.5 ounces, 100 g, and 246 yards, 225 meters, of yarn. This generous amount ensures you have plenty to complete your projects without interruption. Craft stunning, jeans-inspired garments, cozy blankets, or unique yarn art. Its versatility makes it ideal for a wide range of creative endeavors. Made from 100% soft and durable acrylic, this yarn is rated CYC number 4 medium. It's a wonderful addition to any crafter's essential kit. Maintaining your creations is simple. This yarn is machine washable in cool water and can be dried at a medium to low temperature setting. Lion Brand yarn is dedicated to providing high-quality materials for both beginners and experienced crafters. Enjoy the perfect yarn for your next knitting or crocheting adventure. What we like. If you're aiming for a modern, casual aesthetic in your knitted or crocheted items, this yarn is ideal. Its unique jeans-inspired colors offer a versatile palette for clothing, accessories, or even home decor. It's a great choice if you want durable, everyday items with a stylish twist. What people say. The colors are beautiful and vibrant, perfect for autumn projects. This yarn is incredibly soft and easy to work with, it doesn't split or snag. The texture is lovely, giving a nice definition to knitted stitches. Number 1. Wool Wonders Yarn Flaming Orange 4-pack. Discover the exceptional softness of Wool Wonders yarn. This yarn is crafted from a blend of Australian wool and acrylic, offering a beautiful drape and clear stitch definition for your projects. Get inspired with free knitting and crochet patterns for baby items, emailed to you after purchase. Start your next creation with ease and creativity. This yarn is a number 4 medium worsted weight, perfect for working up projects quickly. It's designed for use with standard knitting needles and crochet hooks. Each pack contains 4 skeins, providing a total of 640 yards. This generous amount ensures you have plenty of yarn for larger projects and multiple creations. Experience its unique, roving-like texture that results in finished projects with excellent stitch definition and a beautiful, natural look. The thick, single-ply construction allows for quick crafting of woolen garments and accessories. Enjoy a soft, warm feel in every finished piece. Choose from a diverse palette of 12 colors, including bright ombres and coordinating solids, to bring your colorful visions to life. What we like. For crafters who appreciate the natural feel and warmth of wool, this yarn is an excellent pick. Its aran weight makes it suitable for slightly more substantial projects, and the roving-like texture gives finished items a beautiful, rustic definition. If you like projects with great stitch definition and a cozy, woolen feel, this is for you. What people say. The colors are beautiful and vibrant, perfect for autumn projects. The yarn is soft and easy to work with, it doesn't split or fray. Great quality yarn, holds up well to washing and wear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.